Hello everyone, I am teaching 100 plus unique web application security issues in just 20 hours. With this course you can apply for security testing jobs or you can do bug bounty from home. Watch from lesson 0 guys, otherwise you will not be creative. Search in YouTube Uday Datrak bug bounty. This is a separate playlist to learn in 20 hours. Hey guys, in this video we will see how an attacker can steal the complete application code if the application is vulnerable to command injection guys. So backend it is the same code as I shown in you 100 bug bounty lessons is a 3 lines of code. We are not going to make the application more vulnerable or do something. It's the same piece of code guys. For example, if I want to show all the code injection examples will be containing the same basic code. So yeah, now we'll see how an attacker can steal the complete application code if the application is vulnerable to command injection. Now here the attacker will enter as dir. He will see that we are in a particular folder, see WAMP64 www folder. Now there will be too many web applications within the www folder, right? Now our goal is to steal all the applications, not our goal like hacker can steal all the application code guys. So this is how what hacker will do is he'll try to enter. When I sometimes by mistakenly if I say we or hacker, assume that hacker is going to do that guys, because I don't want to remember all those things like this person, that person is a headache. Okay, so like people say that, right, to catch a thief you must think like a thief. It doesn't mean that if you think like a thief you are a thief. Like, you know, we just wanted to do like see how things happen and then we'll try to learn, we'll fix the issues. Yes, like now we know that too many web applications will be in www folder. Now I'm trying to unzip all of them together. So how we gonna do it? By default there is one command guys, compact command /c, and if I give the path it is gonna unzip all the files guys. I think within that. Now let's see whether one files within the directories with compressed. Okay, only one file? No guys, I just want to do it for all. Yes, one files with two directories, compressing files in C WAMP64 www folder. Okay, how about if I give exactly guys, this is the command guys. Now we are now this command will completely zip all the contents within the C WAMP64 guys. If you could see here, 22 files within one directory were compressed, and all these things are like, you know, if you want to see, if you want to go to particular folder, you can also see, like with the help of the type command also you can see all the files one by one guys. For example, we have seen that this particular application, if I want to see the code of this particular file guys, what hacker will do, type plus, it's just like a cat command in the Linux. It is printing the contents of that file. Why hacker is going to steal the complete application code guys? Because he gonna use the same piece of code to develop another website, or else he gonna see the logical security issues like how the password reset function is implementing, or else he can see the database username and password within the code, and he can connect to remotely as without using any hack payloads, genuine user, like a remote genuine user with the help of valid username and password in the database kind of thing. So this is how, like, you know, with the help of unzip command, or else you can use many methods guys. I just use this compact. You can use the type command, you can use the copy command to copy all the files into one particular file, and then you can use whatever the command, like, you know, these are the Windows commands. This is how hacker can see the complete application code guys. Thank you. You don't have to practice too much, guys. Just remember this command, type space particular programming language file. Yes, he can see the particular language file. If he is down, saving it, control S, which is nothing but like, it is like suppose dd triple H. Now where is it? Okay, triple H is saved on our machine, guys. If you open it with a notepad, you can see the code itself. What it has shown the different things. One second, maybe I made some mistakes. Not here in the place of view source. Oh, okay. No, it has shown in the here. Okay, guys, if remember, if you have to do the control U, if you have to see the code, that is very important thing, because when the code is reflected back on the page, it will be on the blank page itself, because PHP, right? So very important, like this is the important thing to remember, because most of the people try to like execute the command, but the page front end will be blank, but if you see the view source or control U, you can see the code, guys, here. Yes, I'm used to that, because that's the reason I directly go to the view source, but since you are a beginner, it's my job to tell you guys. Thank you.